So yeah, this is what I've got here, some buckets. There's some pink oyster mushrooms coming out of there. Got some good clusters on there. These are very, very strong flavoured. Good size, probably about the size of the palm of your hand, roughly. And then buckets colonising, and some phoenix oyster mushrooms, which are doing alright, but it's the middle of summer here. It's so hot, it's probably about 35 degrees in this grow house, which is far too hot, I know that, but I'm still getting some good clusters on there. I'm not even misting them at all. I'm just leaving them totally up to nature and how they produce. Because I have to build a separate humidifier that I want to work on and get that going. So I'm just letting them go natural at the moment. Getting lots of good clusters. This is about the fourth flush on these that I've got going. So still producing pretty well, considering, you know, no real humidification apart from what's naturally occurring. And yeah, I did have a mister set up, and like behind there's like a sprinkler system that missed the whole place. But I just haven't been using it because I'm kind of thinking, because it's summer here, and if I missed it, it dries out in an hour and needs misting again. It just dries out so fast. So those, they like a little bit cooler weather, sort of autumn and spring more. So off those buckets there so far, I've probably got just over 3 kilos so far. And yeah, the pinks, they're just starting up. They just started last week, so I just harvested one lot last night. But yeah, going for the bucket method, it just keeps everything nice and tidy and doesn't take so much time up. So yeah, that's what's going on. Hoping to get this whole thing filled, so I've only got buckets down one side. And I want to fill this other side right down with bucket. Put a hose in here. Hose, it's all got water, running water in here. Yeah, and this cloth on the top, it's just to catch a bit of moisture. It acts like a rain cloud, and when it gets wet it just holds the moisture for a little bit longer, and it just vaps out, which is quite good. I'll just give you a brief demonstration on the watering. It's like real manual, low tech as I can go. So I've got this hose with a budgeted spray gun on it. I'll just try and spray it up. So yeah, that's like, this holds the water up in there and drips down and vaps out. Yeah, that's about it. Any questions or comments? Yeah, I'm happy to hear those, and yeah. keep you updated. See you next time.